Hello students. Today we are going to start the discussion on chapter 2. Previously we have discussed in the previous classes, in the live classes, and we are going to discuss some points more. First topic that we are going to do is uniform speed. Now, what is uniform speed? We have seen what is speed. Speed is the rate of change of distance, or you can say the distance covered by a body in unit time. Distance covered by a body in unit time, that is speed. But if a body covers equal distances in equal time interval, then we call it to be uniform speed. Then we call it to be what? Uniform speed. Okay. Suppose, as you can see, a table is given here. A body started at 7 a.m. till 8 a.m. means in 1 hour it had covered 40 kilometers. In the next 1 hour again 40 kilometers. In the next 1 hour again 40 kilometers. So what we can see here, that in every 1 hour the distance covered is 40. The distance covered is what? 40 kilometers. So this means that this is the example of uniform speed. So uniform speed means when a body covers equal distances in equal time interval. Non-uniform speed is what? When a body, suppose here it had been that in 1 hour it goes 40, in second hour it goes 30, in third hour it goes 25. If the case has been such, then we would have said that the body is covering unequal distances in equal time interval. So that is the example of non-uniform speed. Now, average speed. Average speed is what? Average speed means total distance travelled by the body divided by total time taken. As you can see, the formula is given here. Total distance, average speed is equal to total distance by total time taken. So let us see one example given. So the Shatabdi train starts from 7 a.m. from Chennai and reaches Bangalore, means 5 hours, and distance is 330 kilometers. So what is the average speed? So total time is 5 hours, total distance is 330 kilometers. So average speed will be 330 by 5, that is 66 kilometers per hour. This way we can do it. Now, scalar and vector quantities. See, all the physical quantities that we know, all the physical quantities. Now, what are physical quantities? This we have seen in chapter 1. All the physical quantities can be divided into two categories. Okay, so these are scalar and vector. Now, what is scalar? Scalar means a quantity which has only magnitude, which can be described by magnitude only. That is called scalar quantity. And okay, example, distance, length, breadth, area, volume, time. These are what? These are called scalar quantities. Vector quantities are those quantities which we require both magnitude and direction to express them completely. To express them completely, we require both magnitude and direction. That is called what? A vector quantity. Example, displacement, velocity, acceleration, force, weight. These are all what? Vector quantities. Now, distance and displacement. Distance is what? The length, distance. So, let's see here. Distance is the total length of the actual path covered by a body. Means it is the actual length of the path covered by the body. Length of the actual path. It is the length of the actual path covered by the body. Okay. In which direction the body is moving. That is called the distance. And displacement means what? Displacement is the shortest distance between the initial position and the final position. Okay. It is the shortest distance between what? The initial position and the final position. For example, as we can see here, suppose a body travels A to B 4 kilometer, B to C 2 kilometer, again C to D 5 kilometer. Okay. So if the body is going in this way, then total distance will be 4 plus 2 plus 3, that is 9 kilometers. But what is displacement? As you can see here, this A is called the initial position because the body has started the journey from A and it has reached D. D is called the final position. So this distance between A and D, shortest distance between A and D, this is called displacement. This is called what? This is called displacement. So displacement is the shortest distance between the initial position and the final position. So this is the initial position A and final position D. So shortest distance between the initial position and final position is called displacement. Okay. So we have seen what is speed. Speed is the rate, the distance covered in unit time. Now velocity. Velocity is the displacement of the body in unit time. What is the displacement of the body in unit time? That is called velocity. So velocity is equal to displacement by time. Okay? Velocity is what? Displacement by time. So there is some difference between speed and velocity that we can get from here. Okay? So this speed is what? You can see this table. From this table you will get the idea of the speed and velocity. Speed is actually the length of the, depends on the distance. Speed depends upon the distance, that is the length of the actual path. But velocity does not depend upon distance. Speed is a scalar quantity, but velocity is a vector quantity. Okay? So up to here we are discussing in this video. The rest part will complete in the next video and then we will go to the question answer. Please see the video properly and read the book. Have a nice day.